In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit a sidebar in WordPress. By the end, you'll know how to open the right template, place a sidebar area, add content to it, and save your changes using the WordPress site editor. First, open the WordPress site editor and load your blog home template. This is the layout that controls how your blog index looks. Opening the template ensures your sidebar appears consistently wherever that template is used. Give the page a second to load so all blocks and template parts are visible. With the template open, click into the area where you want the sidebar to live. If you don't immediately see a dedicated sidebar region, that's okay. Use the search field in the editor to quickly find the section, template part, or block you want to modify. Start typing a keyword like sidebar, template part, or columns, and then click the matching result to jump right there. Now add the structure for your sidebar. Click the Add Block button, search for columns, and choose a layout with a wide column for your main content and a narrower column for your sidebar. Clicking through the options will insert the layout onto your canvas. If the columns land in the wrong spot, simply select the block and move it to the correct place in the template. Inside the narrow column, add the content you want to show in the sidebar. Click the Add Block button again and search for the block you need. For example, search Image to place a logo or ad graphic. When the image block is added, choose Media Library to pick an existing image. If you change your mind or the image isn't right, close the dialog and try another asset or block type. You can add headings, short text, a search field, or a posts list the same way. Use the Add Block button, search by name, and click to insert. Once your sidebar content is in place, fine-tune it using the Settings panel. Click the column or the individual blocks to adjust width, alignment, spacing, and background. Small padding tweaks go a long way toward keeping the sidebar readable and visually balanced next to your main content. When everything looks good, click Save. WordPress may ask you to confirm which parts of the template to save. Confirm and save again to apply your changes. That's it. Your blog template now includes a sidebar, and your visitors will see the updated layout immediately. If you're using a different block theme, the names may vary slightly, but the flow: open the template, insert a columns layout,